Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dream Industry. Till now you have learned about what is tourism. But there are various things that are related to tourism. When we are planning our trip, we need a place to stay, a food to eat, transportation to travel, and a place where we can buy a beautiful things. So in this video, we will learn all these things in detail. Come with me. So guys, let's start this interesting topic industries related to tourism. First, hotel. Every person basic need is a home for stay, but we can't take our home along when we are traveling from one place to another. So, to fulfill this basic need of a tourist, hotel is a commercial establishment that provide accommodation, meal and other guest services. Within the travel and tourism industry, the hotel industry plays a very significant role as all a tourist need a place to stay at their destination and require many more services and facilities to suit their specific need and taste. With the advancement of the hospitality industry, the hotels are categorized into five-star categories, which provide a luxurious stay to the guest and provide a home-like feel, which enhances the satisfactory level of the tourist. Another most important requirement of a tourist is food. We can't stay alive without food, and we can't carry food for a long with us when we are traveling away from the home. So, to fulfill this basic and the most important need of a tourist, restaurants are being established. A restaurant is a business establishment which prepares and serves food and drink to the customer in return of money. Meals are generally served and eaten on premises, but restaurants also offer takeouts, takeaways, and food delivery services. This creates an ease for a tourist. They can just make a phone call or make an online booking and the food reach at their destination. Retail and shopping. When we are traveling outside our hometown, we like to create a beautiful memories. I know in today's era, beautiful memories are created with the adorable pictures, but only pictures are not helpful in fulfilling our satisfactory needs. All we need is a physical appearance also. So, to carry that physical product, we do shopping through our retail shops, which are famous at their places. This create an earning for that establishment and create a satisfactory level for us as we carry the particular product along with us to our home. So, buying a product in exchange of a money is known as retail and shopping. This is also a most important part of travel and tourism industry because it creates an attraction and a satisfaction for a tourist. Transportation. Transportation is an only means which create a bridge between a tourist and a place. It is an only mean through which a person can travel from one place to another. Transportation is a movement of a people and a goods from one place to another. Transport industry is well developed industry now and give a boost to a travel and tourism industry. This industry, the travel and tourism industry, is nothing without the transport industry because it is an only means of connecting the people to their destinations. Travel agencies. Travel agencies are the retailing business that sell travel related products and services, particularly package, to the customer on behalf of suppliers such as airlines, cruise, restaurants, hotels, railways, and many more. Travel agencies plays a very important role as they plan out the itinerary of their clients and make necessary arrangement for their travel, stays and sightseeing. This create an ease for a tourist who is traveling from one place to another. So it is the most important part of this industry. Tour operators. Tour operators assemble all the various elements of the tour. It typically combines the tour and travel components to create a beautiful holiday. It assembles all the requirement for an ease of a tourist. The person who is traveling from one place to another need not to worry if he is not aware about a particular place, because the tour operators make all the necessary arrangement which gives a higher satisfaction level without any tension. You all need to enjoy. Cultural industry. Every place has its own beautiful culture. It is a most important attraction for a tourist. People like to know about the different culture of a different places. Many people travel for this reason also, to adapt, to know, to encourage people about the different culture. Recreation and sports. Many people travel for leisure, for a holiday, and for a sightseeing. So, the leisure or a free time period of a time spent out of a work and as essential domestic activities. Recreation or fun is spending time in a manner designed for a therapeutic refreshment to a body and a mind. It is basically a state of a relax. Many people travel for relaxing. Some travel for business purpose and some for many other purpose. But the most common factor of traveling is recreation and leisure, because people need to relax them out of a place of a work, which gives a boost to them for further working. So all these parts are the most important part of a travel and tourism industry, which create a beautiful travel for a tourist and give him a satisfaction and a feel like a home if he is traveling from one place to another away from the home. Hope you have liked my video, my views on this particular topic. Please like, subscribe and share my video and show some love, and with your support we can do our best. Thank you.